Welcome back to Blue's Garden, making some dried herb mixes. I grow quite a lot of herbs. I grow a couple kinds of basil, an opal basil, a regular sweet basil. I grow Greek oregano, Italian oregano. I grow some sage. I have some mint growing and some parsley. The mint is actually a daughter plant that my grandfather brought in 1918. I cut the parsley at some point and I will trim it up and then arrange it and put a large elastic band around the parsley. And that helps me to hang it. I can then hang it so that it can dry for later use. Something similar for me. I also will take my thyme plants, and when they are on their last legs, I will cut the thyme and do the same thing, band them up and hang them. These ones are fairly dead and dried out, so I'm just going to go straight to cutting them and pulling the leaves off. Similar, I've got oregano that I've got growing, and when it gets towards its end of life, I will cut whatever leaves I can off, strip them off the stems. You know, here's a weakness of mine when I'm cooking, or I can't resist a little sniff of the herbs. When I strip the leaves off, then I crush the leaves, removing any of the woody stems. That way there I can just put it all into a nice mix, an herb mix for cooking later. This is some mint leaves that I dried. Again, that's from that daughter plant of my great-grandfather, Papu. That's his mint from 100 plus years ago. I have rosemary growing everywhere. I'll just cut some stalks of rosemary and hang it up to dry and then slip the leaves off. The rosemary leaves are like needles, like pine needles. When I pull those off, I will also crush those. Break them up so they're smaller pieces. Similar, dried oregano. Take the leaves off the oregano and basil, similar thing. And again, I like to make smaller size so that they're uniform. Oops, there I go again, sniffing the herbs. Crush the leaves up. That way there you get a little better mix when you mix it all together. And then jar it all up. It's sort of a pseudo-Italian herb mix for cooking. For me, it is 2 kinds of oregano, 2 kinds of basil, a little tiny bit of sage, a bunch of thyme, some rosemary, and again, crush it all up and mix it around, and then jar it up. Share the video and comment below on your favorite herbs. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden tips.